definitions that kind of seem to work around something related to functional damage.
In that meeting, there was a discussion about adopting three definitions in particular that I think the industry needs to be aware of and needs to have some input on.
My impression of what is being pushed seems to be a way for an insurance carrier to start applying functional damage language to a policy that doesn't have any functional damage language. Does that sound reasonable to you at all?
So these definitions have the potential to have some pretty significant impacts on the way that we view things. And what the way that I can envision them being used is, well, yes, this happened, but because it doesn't meet the standard, it doesn't matter. And that therefore we don't have to do a repair based on what this definition says, or as they say, no action. And so I think there's some pretty significant issues with the phrasing of this. And I think as an industry, we need to be aware of this. And this is why I want to make sure that people are aware of the fact that these things are out there, and so that the broader industry can have its input.
Yeah. So I'm going to go ahead and pull up these three definitions. We'll